This is Tom. He is 36 years old. He works at a hardware store during the day. He cooks dinner at night. He reads bedtime stories until he falls asleep in the chair beside the bed. He has been doing this alone for 2 years. Tonight, something wakes him up. A small voice.
Daddy,
Hey. Hey, buddy. Look at me.
my head hurts.
Okay. Okay, we're going to the hospital.
I don't want the hospital.
I know. But we're going.
Will it hurt?
I won't let anything hurt you. I promise.
The emergency room is bright and loud even at 2 in the morning. Tom walks in carrying Noah. He goes straight to the desk.
My son has a fever. 39.8. He's 5.
Name?
Noah Brennan.
Guardian?
Father. Just me. I'm the only one.
Take a seat. A nurse will call you shortly.
Daddy, are there other sick people here?
A few. But everyone has a doctor looking after them the
Will I get a doctor?
best one they have.
How do you know?
Because I'll ask for one.
Your heart is beating fast.
I know.
They wait. Tom watches the clock. He watches Noah breathe. He watches the door. An older woman in the chair across from them keeps looking over. She has kind eyes. A coat with big buttons.
How old is he?
5.
High fever?
Almost 40.
Are you here alone?
Yes.
No family nearby?
It's just us.
He picked the right father. You came without shoes.
I didn't even notice once.
That's how you know.
A young doctor, Dr. Rena, calls them in. She is calm and quick. She checks Noah's ears, throat, breathing.
Has he been like this before? High fever? Sudden?
Last winter, but not this high.
Any other symptoms? Vomiting? Rash?
No. Just the fever and headache. He said his legs felt heavy when I was carrying him in.
Heavy legs?
His words.
Am I broken?
No, you are not broken. Your body is fighting something. That's actually your body doing its job.
Fighting what?
Probably a virus. We'll do a blood test to be sure.
The blood test hurt? Will
A little, for 1 second.
you hold my hand?
Noah squeezes Tom's hand so hard Tom's knuckles go white. But Tom doesn't move, doesn't flinch.
Is it done?
All done. You were so brave.
I squeezed Daddy's hand really hard.
I saw. He didn't even cry.
Daddies don't cry.
You did really well, buddy. Really well.
Daddy, don't go anywhere.
I'm right here. I'm not going anywhere.
Even when I fall asleep?
Especially then.
While Noah sleeps, Tom steps into the hallway for 2 minutes. He calls his mother. She lives 4 hours away.
Mom, I'm at the hospital with Noah.
What happened? Is he okay?
Fever. High. They're running tests. He's sleeping now.
I'm coming.
You don't have to, Mom.
Tom, stop. I'm coming. 4 hours. I'll be there before he wakes up.
Mom,
Are you okay?
I forgot my shoes.
What?
I carried him out in my slippers. I didn't even think about shoes. I just grabbed him and ran.
Tom, that is exactly right. That is exactly what you were supposed to do.
I keep thinking, what if I hadn't woken up? What if I slept through it?
But you didn't.
I'm so tired, Mom. I'm so tired all the time, and tonight I just...
You did everything right. You hear me? Everything.
Okay.
Doc, go back in with him. I'm getting in the car right now.
Okay.
Tom,
Yeah?
you're a good father. The best kind. The kind who forgets his shoes.
Dr. Rena comes back with the results.
Viral infection. Nothing bacterial. No sign of anything serious. We'll give him something to bring the fever down and keep him here until morning for observation. If it holds steady, you can go home by noon.
That's it? He's going to be okay?
He'll be fine. Tired for a few days. Fluids, rest, no school this week.
No school. Got it.
Mr. Brennan, can I ask, do you have support at home? Anyone who can help?
My mother is driving in now.
Good, because you need to rest too. Parents get sick when they don't rest, and then nobody is well. You did the right thing coming in. That temperature at 2 m, a lot of parents would have waited until morning.
I couldn't wait.
I know. He's going to be fine.
At 6 a.m., Noah wakes up. The fever has dropped. His eyes are clearer. He looks around the room. He sees Tom sleeping in the chair, head tilted back, mouth slightly open, still in his slippers.
Daddy!
I'm here. What do you need?
Nothing. I just wanted to check. Daddy, you look tired.
I'm okay.
You keep saying that.
I know.
Is Grandma coming?
How did you know?
You only call Grandma when it's really important.
She'll be here soon.
Good. She always brings the good biscuits. Daddy, thank you for waking up.
That's my job, buddy.
No, it's more than a job. Mrs. Peters at school says some daddies don't wake up. Not like that.
I will always wake up for you. Every single time.
I know.
At 7 in the morning, the door opens. Grandma walks in. Coat buttoned wrong. Hair not done. A bag with biscuits. A spare set of clothes for Noah, and a pair of proper shoes for Tom.
Grandma.
There's my boy. Look at you. Brave as anything.
Thanks, Mom.
You didn't have to do last night alone.
I know.
From now on. You call me sooner.
I didn't want to worry you.
Tom. Worrying about you is not a burden. It is a privilege. Let me have it.
Daddy. Grandma loves you.
I know she does.
It's okay to let people love you, Daddy. My teacher says so.
Smart teacher.
Smart kid.
Tom had spent 2 years believing that love meant doing everything alone. That strength meant never asking. That being a good father meant never admitting fear. But in a hospital room at sunrise, in borrowed slippers, with his mother's hand over his and his son eating biscuits in a hospital bed, he began to understand. Strength is not silence. Strength is showing up. Scared. Tired. Without shoes. And staying.